nandito na kami guys. Mother and anak vlog is here. Makinig Hills. Ayan, pasok na kami sa loob.
It's okay?
Thank you. Na kami guys. Na kami sa kanilang McKinley. Ayan guys, napasok na kami. Here, you get inside. Picture? Ah, okay. I love the video. Guys, ito na kami. It's a moving. Ayan, pain na kami. Come here. We're going to the river. Come here. Ayan guys. Okay. That one guys. There.
You can avail
Can we go
$290
for
service charge limited time offer. Monday to Thursday from
Can we
9
get-
to 2 p.m. Monday to Thursday from
Okay. Tingnan muna natin guys kung ano ang dito sa labas sa loob. Ito tayo guys. Ayan yung kainan nila. Uy, nice. Ito na. Uy. Wow, andito kami sa Italy. Tika picture, be.
They won't put their food in the area. But if you want to see what's here, we're gonna walk up. They got two floors.
Oh. Ayan. Ano kami sa first floor. Okay. Yan si anak guys. Yan yung mga ka-mother. Yeah, it's a mall. Venice Mall, isn't it? Right there. Dito na kami guys. Venice Pizza, Pigeon Feeding. O, ayan. Oh my. Ayan. Ayan. Hello, anak. Ayan, si anak.
What's that? Father's Day? Oh, Sunday.
Ayan, guys. Okay. Picture nito? Ah, okay.
We're gonna be here for
Ako na yung mag-tour sa inyo dito, ha? Yan guys, ako ngayon yung photographer dito. Nako, kawawa na lang.
Yeah, they have like a trampoline park.
Ayan. So, ayan guys. Oh, I wanna take a pictures here. Wait, stop. Ayan silang anak. Pumasok na naman sa mga toy area. Where is she?
I don't know. You have to look at her when she give you that camera back.
Where is she?
Give you phone back. What hard back?
Ayan na guys. Labas tayo guys. Hala! Awan. Ayan. Ayan guys. In the other. Yeah, we're gonna
I
ride.
want to do that last. 'Cause it looks like a TikTok.
Yeah, nice area. Hi guys. Oh my God. We're in Italy, no? Parang Italy lang. Ah, ayan. Oh, ito naman yung sa loob. Another. Oh, they have their own DIY. They have their own DIY here. Tickets, entrance.
Are we gonna eat now? We're
Ah.
gonna go to the left.
Kain na muna kami. Where is the food area? Oh, ayan. Guys, in that area, Brie. Ayan, sakay kami ng pedal mamaya. Ay, naku. Ayan. Uy. Maghanap kami ng kainan, guys. Maghanap kami ng kainan, no? Pero ayan lang muna. Flex natin yan sila. Oh my gosh, ang nice. Gusto kong sumakay niyan, ng pedal. Ganyan, Wow, gusto kong sumakay dyan. So, ganyan lang guys. Yan yung riverside nila. Yan na yung map nila. Ayan guys, sa other side, Wells Fargo. Doon kami galing sa kabila guys. Yan na si ano. Oh, di ba? Ganda ng door nila, guys. Ayan, mag-step in lang tayo. Wow, very good. May taga-open. Ito na tayo sa ibang side. Ibang side nila. Ayan, nag-aay si anak. Ayan, okay. Wala na magkatapos ang bakla ito guys, oy. Big boss. Ayan. May ano naman ito, another block. Another block talaga guys. Wala na bang katapos ang bakla ito, oy. Sa isa naman naming Uy, naku, saan ba to? Harap muna si anak guys. Ayan. Abri. Where's that? Oh. Okay. I wanna be in there. Maglaro daw si anak dito guys. Mag-trampoline daw siya guys. Jumping. What is this there? Oh, jump. Ay, ayan. Rough Deck Garden. They have also Rough Deck Garden. Color me. Ayan guys, punta na kami ng rooftop na another rooftop on Venice. Yan si anak, my daughter. Ayan. Go, B. So where is it? Open sesame. Oh, ayan. Oh, this is their dig. Oh, ayan na guys. This one. Oh. So, ayan. Ito na guys, yung dig nila. Ayan, roof. Garden. Pan nilang rooftop. Oh, ayan. O, ayan guys, gusto naman sila magpainit. So, puntahan natin yung dig nila. Ay, flowers. Ay, garden. Ay, nako. Mga adventurers talaga tong mga ito. Mga kasamahan ko. Itong mga amo ko guys, no, mga ito eh. Mga adventurers. O, did-in na yan. O, paano na sila makalabas yan? That's the end! Ito pala yung chapel nila guys. May chapel din sila. Nila guys, chapel. So, ayan. Balik na tayo. Wala naman ako makikita dito. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo magpainit, galing sa sa malamig. Bugno kay guys, pero hangin kay diri guys, no, walang init. Ito yung dig nila. Ayun, garden nila. Oh, ayan, si garden. So, ayan. So, balik na tayo. Open sesame. Ayan, good job. Balik na tayo sa loob. Ayan na naman sila, yung mga open sesame. Again. Balik tayo sa yung nila guys. Yung play area ng mga kids. So, dito na talaga kami sa last na. Balik ulit. Ayan guys. Hello. Ayan na guys. Napagod na si mother ay.
The wall right
Ikapoy ako guys, ikapoy. So ayan lang. Kung ikapoy, mag-rest muna tayo. Mag-rest.
Oh, yeah, stay tuned. Are you serious? That's all I got.
inside.
Yeah.
You want Rachel? You got 3 or 4 pieces of candy.
Init pa guys.